It's falling out of the sky. It's a wet one today. Haven't seen this in a while. So we are en route to the campsite, and the thing is, we're going to get wetter en route to the campsite than we would be just standing in the rain, because with all the brush we have to go through, that's going to be soaking. So, but it's no worries. It should be drying out a little later, so there's no drama. We made it. Damp. So we had the basher set up just to sit out the rain. It's not too far from where I actually want it. We're going to have to raise it a little bit because our shelter tonight is going to be the basher and a hammock. And I'm not usually one for hammock camping, but it's nice to switch things up. And it's a lighter weight setup than we would usually carry. So it has the benefits of that on these summer-like late spring days. So let's get it all set up and then we'll get a coffee on. I'm hoping I've not forgotten anything. My little boy's been under the weather recently. We're up at 4:30 the day I packed this bag, so if I have forgot anything, that's probably why. That will do. So I don't know how I'm going to get on with this setup really. Being a ground camper, I know I need the folding mat and then the climate, and then I'm all good. Up in the air, I'm not too familiar with what works for me, so we could be in for a chilly night. I don't know, we'll see. We're rocking with the Stanley Cook set today. We've replaced the burnt off plastic tab with just a simple metal keyring, nice and easy to lift off with the pliers on a Leatherman. We've got our Nescafe 3-in-1 coffees, the best sachets I've tried thus far, and that's really saying something because these are not great. The fundamental flaw in all of these coffee sachets that I've tried, there's barely any coffee in them. If someone was to make a coffee sachet with coffee, creamer, sugar and extra coffee, they would certainly be onto a winner. So while we sit here and wait for our water to boil, I just want to take a quick second to send a shout out to our sponsor. This video is brought to you by the Ridge wallet. There's a lot of things I like about this wallet, including the color, it suits us, and with over 30 colors and styles to choose from, including carbon fiber and burnt titanium, you're spoiled for choice. The minimalistic approach makes it easy for me to stay organized, and with how slimline but rugged it is, being someone who spends a lot of time in the outdoors, durability is a must. It's sleek, streamlined, lightweight, but does not sacrifice on function. Declutter your pockets from the weight and bulk of your old tired wallet for a Ridge wallet. Holds up to 12 cards and cash, equipped with RFID blocking technology and modular design, and backed by a lifetime warranty. And with over 40,000 5-star reviews, I say it's a pretty awesome gift for Father's Day. So if you want to declutter your pockets, you can purchase the Ridge wallet with 15% off using the promo code TREEDEEP. Link is in the description below. Cheers. So I decided we would have a nice easy one today, because next week we're going to be hitting the trail. 100 miles of walking and wild camping. And as many of you probably know, I'm not a hiker or a backpacker. It's going to be more of an endurance test than anything else. But it should be fun. Fun and painful. Like I said, guys, real simple, easy, overnight, and it doesn't get more simple than a packet of noodles. You have to overfill it, because I like drinking the soup afterwards. So I'm going to chow down on these noodles now. Relax for the rest of the evening. Hope we got on okay in the hammock. I'll let you know in the morning. Until then, I'll see you at breakfast. So the Dutch Army tent was my original plan for this video. I think I would have benefited more from using that. The canvas being an excellent 5 AM sunrise restrictor. The reason I didn't use it, the plans changed at the very last second because I didn't really feel like lugging that big old lump out of the woods today. But we got on okay with the hammock. Just a real simple, real easy solo overnight in the woods. I'm gonna fix myself a coffee and then I gotta start getting a move on, get back, start organizing this 100 miles, in which you'll see me beforehand. We'll be doing a gear loadout on what I'm taking, cookware, sleep system, food and whatnot. So we're going to be striking camp soon and getting a move on. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.